Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show Dalgona coffee recipe. The most popular coffee trending during the lockdown in the year 2020 in the world. This trending coffee recipe got viral over TikTok and was first made in Korea. Now it is very trending all over the internet. Dalgona coffee, also known as Fordi coffee, whipped coffee, cloud coffee, magic coffee and more. Dalgona coffee is made by whipping equal portion of instant coffee powder, sugar and hot water until it becomes creamy, no matter how you call it. This cold coffee is amazing. Two tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon hot water, 2 tablespoon instant coffee powder, 3/4 cup milk, sugar, instant coffee powder and hot water. It is done. Flip it. It doesn't fall down. Now set aside. On the top, add grated chocolate. My Dalgona coffee is ready.